Hello guys, good evening from Portugal. Hola, boa noite. Today I have only 9 euro session. Okay, mix of 3 euro tickets. Puti di mel means pot of honey, estrelas de sorte, lucky stars, palabras sorturas, lucky words. Okay, a lot of lucky, but there's no luck. Okay, use this random red coin. Normally I win with this coin. D and V. I do the old-fashioned way. No D. No D. Or I don't see. Oh Lord, this ticket is nada. No. B and P. B. No B also? What kind of ticket is this? J and S. J and S. No. C and R. There's D here. Don't see Zika. What? M and I. M I. I. M. U and F. U. F. There's R here. T and Q. Oh Lord, there's no Q. O and H. O M. O H. O. Of course, not winners. It doesn't matter. No E. Okay, so this ticket there are a lot of missing letters. Okay, so let's go to Estrelas de Sorte. Bonus, we're looking for Lua. Ay! I found the Lua. Wow! 30 euro win, guys. Wow. Only spent 10. I found the Lua again. Woohoo! 30 euro. If this is J. Okay, J, so I don't need to scratch this, guys. I found this symbol 3 times, guys. 3 times so far. Wow. So I don't need to scratch more, guys, because this one, you cannot win more than 30 euro. Okay, so now mais premio. Depois 30 euro. Now, preciso raspar. Okay, I don't need to scratch. So 30 euro win, guys. Nice. Guys, letter J. My name, Jessica. Wow. €30 win. It's a nice win, guys, in a €3 ticket. So I don't need to scratch. Minus 8 minutes of my session. Beautiful symbol. I found these symbols. Encontré un símbolo 3 veces. I found this symbol 3 times, guys. Nice. Okay. Nice symbol. So I don't need to scratch because you cannot win more than €30. Because in Portugal, guys, we have guide of prices. So there's no more. After 30, there's no more price. Only 5 plus 10. Other than that, only single prices. Okay? Not so many promising prices in this ticket. Only 100 tickets of, 10,000 tickets of 100. The rest of the prices are all 10, 3,000. 10 tickets. 5 tickets, 30,000. Okay, so good. I found this symbol 3 times. Okay, this is good. Now let's go to puti de mel. Pot of honey in English. Mel, guys, means honey. Puti means pot of honey. So I'm lucky with this coin all the time. 43, 60. 43. Sometimes they repeat, guys. So 52, 45. 45, 52, 56, 44. 44, 56, 56, 6, 50. There's 60 here also. Set 11. Set 11. 40, 29. 40, 29. This is 45, correct. 57, 22. 22. 57. 46, 54. 46. 54. 28, 49. 28. 49. Too much B is going on here. I need 13 to win 3,000. But of course I don't have 13. So if I have 13, I win. What's the lottery code? V and S. Okay, so maybe it's winner here if I miss 13. 13. Give me 13. Of course, no 13. Maybe I miss a lot of numbers because I'm lazy to find numbers, guys. There's 29. Cannot be less than. It's either I win 3,000 or 30,000. I just need 13 to win 3,000, but of course I don't have a chance. But anyway, guys, it's a nice session. I found a 30 euro win. Okay, so not bad, guys. 3 times I found this symbol. Okay, so oh, no, I have one 10x. I forgot to have because I spent 10, so I have to scratch this. I was thinking I spent 10. Where is the other? We're looking for 25. 14, 27, 23, 16. Of course. I was happy I forgot one ticket, but it's a winner, of course. What you expect on a €1 ticket? Okay, so no, but I spent 10, guys, and I got the Lua, 30 euro. Aria do jogo bonus se encontrar o símbolo. Lua gana de inmediato 30. Okay, so 30 euro win in a 10 euro session, guys. So 20 euro lucro. 20 euro profit. Okay, bye. Have a nice day. Ciao. Thank you for watching. Obrigada a todos. Ciao.